Person-to-person contracts are a fundamental part of our daily lives, from business deals to personal agreements. But what exactly makes these contracts legally binding, and how can you ensure your agreement is properly protected? A person-to-person contract is a legally binding agreement between two individuals that outlines specific terms, responsibilities, and expectations. These contracts are essential for clarifying arrangements and protecting both parties' interests. For a contract to be legally binding, it must contain several key elements. First, there must be an offer and acceptance, where one party proposes terms and the other agrees to them. Second, consideration is required, meaning something of value must be exchanged between the parties. Third, there must be mutual assent, or a clear understanding and agreement between both parties. Lastly, the parties involved must be legally capable of entering into a contract, which typically means they are of legal age and mentally competent. While verbal contracts can sometimes be legally binding, they present significant challenges when it comes to proof and enforcement. Written contracts are always preferable, as they clearly outline the terms and expectations of both parties. They offer clarity, legal protection, easier enforcement through courts, and serve as a reference point to avoid misunderstandings. When drafting a contract, several important components should be included. Start by providing detailed descriptions of the goods or services being exchanged. Clearly state the payment terms, including amounts, due dates, and consequences for late or missed payments. Specify the contract duration with clear start and end dates. Include information about dispute resolution methods and penalties for breaching the contract. Additional considerations may include confidentiality clauses to protect sensitive information, especially in business dealings. These clauses should define what information is considered confidential, the obligations of each party, and the duration of the confidentiality agreement. It's worth noting that not all person-to-person contracts are business-related. Relationship contracts, while not always legally binding, can help set expectations between partners in personal relationships. These contracts often cover logistics and mutual expectations within the relationship. When creating a person-to-person contract, it's crucial to be thorough and detailed. Include all necessary components to make it a legal agreement. While it's possible to draft a contract on your own, seeking legal advice can ensure that your contract is enforceable and complies with local laws. A lawyer can help protect your interests and avoid potential pitfalls in the agreement. Remember, a well-crafted person-to-person contract provides clarity, protection, and peace of mind for all parties involved. By understanding the key elements and including essential components, you can create a strong foundation for any agreement, whether personal or professional.